Hello student, in your big data, next topic is liberated data. What is liberated data? What do you mean by liberated data? Data means that one we can, it means independent data or individual data. That one we can call it as a liberated data. In your liberated data means we can liberating the business, social, economic, enterprise and financial value from the data. All type of delivered benefit we can have in a media, government, then commerce, academic and individual. We can get the data liberated. What is liberated data? Liberated means it is the independent data or individual data. It means what are the individual things or individual data we can got. Business, that one is the individual. Social, that one is the individual. Economic, everything with the individual data or individual information, that one we can call it as a liberated data. Liberated data is a liberating business, social, economic and enterprise and the financial value of the data. All type of deliver benefit of the media, government, commerce and academics are individual data. That one we can call it as a liberated data. In your data liberated, it is a founder. Who is the founder of liberated data means it is a Richard Willis, who invent the or who will be found the liberated data means Richard. He was the founder of Willis liberated data. Richard Willis. It focus on introducing or simplifying and we can this specifically complex technique we can technology we can use in a liberated data. In your liberated data, we can have a advice, guidance, evolution, training, consultancy services, writing and forecasting, confidence, presentation are some of the always data we can liberated can help you and your organization identify the relevance value from the your data within the enterprise and on the public web of the data. That one we can call it as a liberated data. In your liberated data, it means we can liberated data means what are the things we can use. We make a data we can make in a meaningful. That one we can call it as a data liberated. Data liberation, our machine we can help to get the most of the your data, make accessing information or matters easy to possible to access, and we can insight teams with the best. We can provide the expertise or insight of some serious problem we can solve the skill. Then largest research company we can have, that one we can smaller one, which one is the smaller, everything we can make it in a meaningful way. That one we can call it as a liberated data. We can give our time is precious. We can intimate someone, time is precious. It means this never enough to time is the day is especially not when you are battling away of the mountains of data, then trying to gain the insight, and we can create the interactive reporting system, everything. we can used in a time appreciation. We can add the value of liberated means we can care about our data behind the best situation to you. Then a project incredible complex time will be occurred. That time how we can manage or how we can reliable and we can trust to someone, everything we can learn in a liberated data.